everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie. Please do not run away. This is me without makeup. So today's topic is a very exciting one for me because you guys know that I am so in love with makeup brushes, okay? It's probably one of my collections since I really think that brushes are a really good investment because they do not expire, though they get broken or anything like that. But if you buy really good brushes, they could really last for a really long time. So I could have started earlier today, however, I was looking for some comparisons for these brushes right here with me, and I'm missing one brush. Like, I have a lot of brushes, okay? I have a lot of makeup. I don't have an inventory of my makeup, of all of my clothes, all of my stuff. I have a lot of girly stuff, but if there's something that is missing, like, I know there's something missing. Oh my gosh, I was looking for that brow brush that I really like, but I can't find it. Now I'm going crazy. I'm starting to look like everywhere and oh, sorry for rambling. Let's go back to the topic. So when I saw this at Ulta, I was like, oh my goodness. I never really gave it like second thoughts. I was able to I literally told myself you know what? I am going to buy this. And I'm so lucky enough that they are buy one get one 50% off. As you can see, you can buy them separately, and there are also kits, which is amazing, but the kits are not included in the buy one get one 50% off. So I decided to get these individually because in my opinion it's cheaper and I'm not really going to use the sponges and the silly sponge. So these are the kits. This is $29.50, and you have 3 brushes, 1 sponge and 1 silly sponge, silicone, whatever that is. And then the other kit is this one, and it comes along with this really nice pouch. It's super cute. Now let's go ahead and start. All right, let's talk about the brushes one by one, and then let's unbox it together. So most of the brushes are $12.99. The only one that is the most expensive one is this one right over here, which is the round Kabuki brush, and this is $16.99. Luckily, when this was put out for sale, it is buy one get one 50% off. And I did a separate transaction for this one because you will only get the lesser discount on the lesser value, if I make sense. So I decided to get 2 of them. Oh, haha. Because the moment I saw this, I was like, you know what? This is perfect because I'm that lady on the go. Lady on the go. If that even exists, if that term even exists. So let me just read what it says right over here in the package. It says, large rounded, cut easily sweet bronzers and highlighters across the face, neck, and décolleté. What is that? Because I can't pronounce it. Hey. All right, let's open it up. Who uses this for, oh, I know, okay. She's probably referring to body highlights. So, you know what? You can also use this for your body tan. So this is the 306 Kabuki brush for all over application. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Can I just put this on the side of my face so you guys can see how big this is? It's so big. Super cute. It has this logo right over here. So as soon as I saw this brush, the first thing that really came into my mind is oh my gosh, this is so Barbie, so sassy. It is so me. Look at that. It is so soft. I can't. It's a combination of some of the brushes here is a combination of pink and violet, but this one specifically is just pink. Look how beautiful that is. Look at it side by side of my face, okay? So this is perfect. Oh my gosh, I only have 15 minutes to prepare. Fixed. And then, oh my gosh. And then the next brush that I have here with me, I'm so happy that I bought 2 of them because I feel like I need it, okay? Honestly, I thought in the packaging, it's a gradient of pink and violet, and then when I popped it out, it's just pink. But I'm not complaining. I love it. And the next brush that I have here with me is the 303 contour brush. I don't understand why they have to kind of rename the brush, but it exactly looks like the 301 brush in my opinion. So is it just me, or this is more of like just an amped up version? Because you can see the base right over here. Let me know if I make a point or not. The base looks different, and then the body is the only thing that is different. I'm not so sure if they have coated this or they took it out and created a different base. I don't know, girl, but the color of the brush here is pretty plain, so they probably, you know, colored it up or something. I don't know. That's just me. That's just my theory. Because the base looks exactly the same. If I'm going to create this, I'm going to go like all the way up, you know. But I've never really thought of that. Not until I went home and I'm like, you know what? I have the metallics brushes. And it looks like it was just, you know, they tweaked it out a little bit so they can resell it. So punch me in the face if I'm like acting crazy or thinking stupidly, but that's just how I think it is. Girl, this is business, so you have to kind of like, that's what it looks like. Focus, come on. Here you go. Ta. Looks like the same exact thing. Looks like the 301 brush, but now it is called 303 brush. I honestly use this more for my foundation. I know what you're gonna say, that's not for, can I be me? I use this for foundation and it works perfectly fine. It works so good. It works best because this one is so dense. I'm not a cream contourer person. I don't like really cream contours on my face, only in very special events, because my face is like 24/7 oily. If my nose is shiny right now, you guys know what I'm talking about, but my face is so oily, that's the only reason why I don't like cream contours. But you know, if I find a very, very good cream contour, then I may reconsider. So I wish they came out with an eyebrow brush for this line, because I'll probably buy like a lot. And then the next brush that I have here is the 300 brush, and this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I forgot to open it. I'm so sorry. This video is probably gonna be like super long, so it's just an unboxing video, but I'm like so happy to like try it out. This is what it looks like. And then a side by side with the 3.0. There you go. So now that we're doing like a side by side without the box, it's kind of just, I think this is bigger, kind of bigger. There you go. So the next brush that I will unbox for you guys is the 300 powder brush. It says here it's arched, cut lightly, sweeps on powders. So beautiful. I can't. So Jondrae and I had a fight. Of course, as always, we had a fight. And then it was a perfect way to buy something, girl. Because he's not gonna ask me like, oh, what did you buy? Ooh, what's that? You know? So I'm like, you know what, whatever. I'm hurt, okay? I'm hurt and I'm upset. I am stressing out and I really think that I work hard and I deserve it. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, let me just remove that sticky little thing. Beautiful, isn't it? So beautiful. Again, you can buy this in a set. However, I didn't purchase it because it was more cheaper in my opinion if you buy them individually, buy one get one 50% off. But if the sale is not going, definitely go with the set. And I also the reason why I bought them right away is because I don't think they were gonna put it on clearance, because one of my coworkers said like, you know what, I'm gonna wait for it for a clearance. Like there is no way this is gonna go to the clearance section. If anything, that will be like gonna take like forever to be in there, because this is such a hot item. Like, are you kidding me? This is just so pretty. By the way, you can't really feel the glitters. It's just very smooth. It's not like sandy feeling. There's no texture of the glitter. You can't really feel it. There's just like a teeny tiny bit, but it's not you know, it's just smooth. And then the next brush that I'm gonna unbox. All right, you know what? My dad, like, this is $9.99. And this is a really nice shadow brush because it's tapered and you can definitely use this on your crease. I'm not even lying. Like, I have their old version, the metallic version. This is the 203. This is the 203 and this one is called 305. And of course I'm gonna do like a side by side. There's like a foundation on it, so I'm sorry, trying not to be disgusting right over here. I have 3 of these, which I bought on sale at Burlington, the ones that comes in a set. Then let me just show you what it looks like. Oh my god. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I can't. Can we not? Like, it's... I literally painted my nails so it doesn't look disgusting for you guys. Here it goes. It's super pretty. And then I have 3 more, so please don't sleep on me. This is the 301 foundation brush. And this is rounded, cut easily, buffs creams or liquids. That's what it says. Open it up. Oh my gosh. Why do I look like that? Why do I look like a space alien? You know what? Before I knew anything about makeup, I was good, girl. Like, I was pretty confident about myself, like, without makeup. But now that I have known that I could, you know, transform into a different human type of being, I don't know why I'm not as confident before when I'm not using makeup. But I really love makeup. Sometimes I feel bad that I really have to put makeup to feel good about myself, which, you know, especially when sometimes people tell me like, oh, you know what, you're better off that way, you're better off without makeup. But then again, come to think of it, like, realistically, makeup really does something. It, like, if anything, of course, those actresses that decides not to wear makeup, they have these dermatological clinics and surgery centers that is sponsoring them so that they would look good without makeup. So, you know, I just wish that I'm that 13-year-old child that is, you know, confident without, but oh my gosh, I feel like I'm contradicting myself for the last couple of minutes. And then I have the 302 brush. I have their older version, which is the 300 brush, but in my opinion, they do look the same. Just giving you guys some comparisons, so, you know. Sorry, I was like listening to Jondrae. It says here, own your rosy glow with a 302 blush brush. It's my day off, by the way. I'm so happy. Obviously, the reason why I don't have any makeup on. This is what it looks like. Oh, ta-da! Oh, oh, oh. There it goes. So the new versions. All right, you know what? I'm going to take what I said earlier that I think that they just, you know, I think that they just took all of these back, the reason why they put it on clearance and took it back. But now that I'm looking at it side by side, it is really bigger. It's really bigger. Look. See that? It is bigger. Even trying it to compare it to the brush, the fluffy brush. This one you can't really tell, but the other brushes, you can definitely tell that it's like... So it won't focus, so I'm really sorry. I wish I'm that YouTuber who's like very, very good when it comes to editing videos or making videos, but you know me, I'm just like this. And then I have the 304 fan. Now I literally, okay, for this, item specifically, I literally thought about it like a gajillion times whether if I want to purchase this or not. Because the fan brush is more of like my least favorite if you're going to ask me, because every time I'm putting a highlighter, I don't use a fan brush. I use this guy right over here. If anything, I love this for contouring. I think it's perfect. But I also use this for highlighting. I think it's perfect, and the density of this one is not super dense, so it really puts the product really nicely on the top of my cheeks. So there you have it, guys. I really love these makeup brush sets, so you can't deny. They are so beautiful. They are so beautiful that it convinced me to buy it, even if I'm on a tight budget. Like, look how beautiful this is. Like, I can't. They are so beautiful. Perfect for my display right over there. If you guys can see that, let me zoom you guys in. See that? Yeah, that. Perfect for that. I'm going to put it there. But, of course, I'm going to have a video of me trying all of these babies. Oh my gosh, this is so zoom in. Okay, there we go. I'm so sorry. So, of course, I'm going to have a video of this using it, but I'm going to do it separately because, again, this is just like an unboxing video. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like these brushes already without me trying them on and giving you guys my overall thoughts, then definitely get it. They are still buy one, get one 50% off. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have points, you can use that as well. Perfect. Such a perfect Valentine's gift for yourself. Girl, you work hard. And if you're stressing, it's not really that bad. These brushes do not expire. They are limited edition. They are very pretty. You deserve it. And I'm not telling you to like go like, oh my gosh, rush to the store and that. But to me, if you are a fan of glitters, sparkles, and if you are a fan of brushes, I think it is worth your investment. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you guys are gonna go to work, please take care. Have fun at work. And if you are sick and tired of work, remember the days that you have prayed for it, okay? If you are having a hard time in life, always remember the days that you have prayed for it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Hope you guys join me again. Bye!